Welcome to this short introduction to Excel. My name is Emilia and I will show you how to use this program to perform the basic operations. If you wonder right now why do you need to use this program at all, then I can tell you that Excel is an extremely practical tool. It is very easy once you learn it. It allows you to quickly perform calculations with a big amount of data. And the most important is, however, that the results obtained with Excel are very accurate, since numbers which you use in calculations with this tool are not rounded. Excel program is easily accessible, especially for the Stockholm University students. So if you don't have the program on your computer already, and if you are a student at Stockholm University, everything you need to do is going to the Stockholm University webpage. Here in the student services, IT for students, you find link to Office made available to students. You go here for more information and you click on the link SUSE/Office 365. So according to the information on this page, you just need to activate your account by entering your university account here, which is made of email address. If you have some problems with it, just go to Serviceportalen and contact Helpdesk. You just use the contact function. I'm sure they will be able to help you. But if you still have the problems, then another alternative is using Google Docs. If you have Google account, you can just do your calculations online. Go to Google Docs. Here you have several options. You can write Word documents, you can do presentations, but you can also create an Excel sheet. Here in Swedish is called Kalkylark. Open. Create a blank document. This is how Excel sheet looks like. It has most of the functions of the offline version. The good thing with the online version is that your every calculations are saved in real time. You can also download such created file. Download as. You choose Microsoft Excel. If you download the file in such a form, then you can send such created Excel file to your lab assistant. Now, when you know how to get the access to the program, we can talk more about how to do the calculations.